Let hope lope alongside you, like the wolf we thought had died out, teeth and claws and howl and all. You thought you were alone, but there it is, so untamed that the fact it's walking so peaceably alongside you is what folk used to call a bloody miracle. Try, whistles the wind. Try, sings the sky. Try, howls the mountain. The newborn calls. It sounds like try. The burn cries, try. The loch cries, try. The tree, the bird, the fish, the bell. Try, try, try.
Your finger points up to the living sun above, broiling, an eternal gyroscope in quantum spin, a ticking minute hand, a blistering valve of light, light, light. If we keep a stiff eye focused, don't stare directly into it, we won't be blinded, there will be no fade to black.
I dream of a world where our differences are the bargaining power of our communities.
Gyned awain, oped chrwyd, casiach, y chwle dyngu talichtje, eith glan hwyl wanye.
Hope is an unseen light. It is fearless, even when we are afraid. It lights crevices. It waits. Hope has patience. It will appear. It doesn't need us to know it's there. It knows for us. It doesn't need us to look for it, just that we don't look away.